In front of me is Motorola Moto G86, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps you wish to use in this view and launching them in the background. With both of them ready, go into Background Apps and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen by clicking on the icon of it at the top. Now tap on Split Screen in the pop-up and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can either hold this white line in the middle of your apps and drag one of them all the way up or all the way down, then hit Home button, or go back into Background Apps and swipe both of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!